Which data structure works on the principle of LIFO? A. Q B stack C array D tree. Which of the following is not an OOP concept? A. Inheritance. B. Polymorphism. C. Encapsulation. D. Compilation. Which SQL command is used to remove a table completely? A. Delete. B. Drop. Circa truncate. D. Remove. Which protocol is used to transfer web pages? A. FTP. B. SMTP. C. HTTP. D. SNMP. Which of the following is a NoSQL database? A. MySQL. B. PostgreSQL. C. Oracle. D. MongoDB. Which sorting algorithm has the best average time complexity? A. Bubble sort. B. Selection sort. C. Merge sort. D. Insertion sort. Which of the following is a primary key property? A. Nullable. B. Unique. C. Duplicate allowed. D. Random. Which layer of OSI model is responsible for routing? A. Transport. B. Network. C. Session. D. Data link. Which language is widely used for AI and machine learning? A. C. B. Python. C. COBOL. D. Pascal. Which command is used to list files in Linux? A. dir blsc list. D. show. What does CPU stand for? A. Central Process Unit. B. Central Processing Unit. C. Central Programming Unit. D. Central Printed Unit. Which of the following is volatile memory? A. Hard disk. B. SSD. Circa ROM. D. RAM. Which keyword is used to handle exceptions in Java? A. Catch. B. Error. C. Throw. D. Exception. Which data type is immutable in Python? A. List. B. Dictionary. C. Tuple. D. Set. Which protocol is used for sending emails? A. HTTP. B. FTP. C. SMTP. D. DHCP. Which of the following is an example of system software? A. MS Word. B. Chrome. C. Operating System. D. Photoshop. Which database language is used to define data structures? A. DDLB DMLC DCL DTCL. Which pointer points to the next node in a linked list? A. Previous, B. Next, C. Tail, D. Head. Which scheduling algorithm is starvation-free? A. FCFS-BSJFC priority, D. Round robin. Which cybersecurity attack floods a server with traffic? A. Phishing, B. Malware, C. DDoS, D. Spoofing.